In this video, we're going to look at building a lead magnet delivery. A lead magnet is exactly what it sounds like. It's something designed to attract new leads, like a magnet. Offering some digital resource in exchange for contact information is a common example of a lead magnet. And a lead magnet can take many different forms, such as a PDF, an ebook, a slideshow, an audio file, and this is by no means an exhaustive list. Automating the delivery and follow-up of a lead magnet is a simple and very powerful way to save time and get organized. In this video, we're going to show how to build a mechanism for capturing interested leads, delivering an online lead magnet via email, and following up with people who downloaded it. Specifically, we're going to look at building a request form, tracking lead magnet consumption, and following up based on that behavior. For this video, we are also assuming that we have a lead magnet hosted somewhere publicly that's accessible via a URL. We're going to start by building the structure. I'm going to start with a web form that will be used for people to request a lead magnet. You can also use a landing page, a sequence to deliver the lead magnet, a link click goal to track that they've actually consumed and downloaded the lead magnet they requested, and then one more sequence to follow up with them based on that behavior. A simple linear automation model. Before we start building the content, to make our lives easier, we're going to go ahead and create a campaign link right now for the lead magnet download. I've already set one up. This would, of course, be the URL for the actual lead magnet that you're offering people. We're going to start by configuring the web form. To save time, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. I'll see you in a couple minutes when I've put the content in. Okay, now we have our content in here. Again, this could be a full-blown landing page. For right now, this is lean and functional. It has a call to action in the headline that's directly telling them to download the lead magnet, in this case, a PDF about Inbox Zero. And we're even priming them for email engagement by saying, share your name and best email below. And the call to action says, email me a copy, giving them ownership of the action for filling out this form. On the thank you page, we're giving them direct instructions to go to their email right now. This response message is congruent with what they saw before they filled out the form. At this point it's ready, and we can mark the form as ready. In the lead magnet delivery sequence, we need to have an email that goes out immediately. So we're going to drag out a new email object and open it up. Just like with the web form, to save time, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. So I'll see you shortly after I put the content in. And we're back. So again, this email is designed to get someone to consume the PDF or the lead magnet or whatever we're offering. So it's short, sweet, and to the point. The subject line is direct. Here's what kind of thing it is, and here's exactly what you were looking for, first name. Again, it's a very short email. Thanks for requesting it. Sure you're going to love it. And then we tease them with some information. This gives them a little bit more of a nudge to click the following link. If you remember, we set up a campaign link. So to link this text to a campaign link, instead of URL, we change this drop down to campaign links. And if we've set one up, it will show up here. At this point, we can mark the email as ready and go back to the sequence. We could also mark the sequence as ready. I would personally recommend adding a delay timer here, maybe about a week, and this way it gives people time to actually download the lead magnet. Back at the campaign level, we want to double-click into the link click goal. This is where we're going to tell Infusionsoft which link specifically means that they're downloading the lead magnet. In this particular email, there's only 2 links, and that's the one that says they've downloaded the PDF or the lead magnet. In plain English, when somebody clicks on the link in this email, Infusionsoft is going to consider that an event, pull them out of this sequence, and put them in here. In the download follow-up sequence, we're going to start with the delay timer. We don't want to send the email immediately because that means as soon as they click, they're going to get another email from you. Not necessarily the best experience. Certainly doesn't show that you care. In fact, it's kind of sloppy. I would recommend having a delay of 1 day, and then depending on your business, you can either run it on any day or a weekday, and then sending it sometime in the morning. Let's grab a new email object. And go to compose it. Again, as we've been doing this entire time, I'm about to pause the video, build the email, and then come back. Okay, this email is a little longer than the last one because we're responding to their behavior. In this particular case, we're taking the personal and casual approach. The objective here isn't necessarily to get them to click on anything else or buy something. It's mainly to simply get engagement. We want to try and get email replies here. Of course, the follow-up is entirely based on you and your business. If you want to drive them to a particular sale or an offer in these emails, you absolutely can. But let's look at how this experience is so far. A very casual subject line, and we open with good morning. And we can say that because we know this is going out at 9 a.m. And then we open with a personal question. How's your day of the week shaping up so far? For example, today I would say, how is your Friday shaping up so far? I want to follow up with you on the lead magnet and see what you thought. Wasn't that thing that I talked about in the delivery email awesome? This is connecting the 2 emails based on what they've seen before. We're being grateful. Thank you for checking it out. And then letting them know what to do. Again, in this case, we simply want to get a reply to this email based on your business and what you're doing and what you're selling and offering. You may have another link where they can go request an appointment, go buy something directly. Maybe there's some other bit of content for them to consume. But the point is here, we're following up with them 1 day after they consumed whatever it is they requested. So it's timely, and it's based on their behavior. At this point, this email is ready to go, and you can mark it as ready. This sequence is also ready to go, since nothing else happens after this point in the campaign. At this point, we can publish the campaign, put this web form on our website, or even just grab the direct URL for it, and then start promoting it across your social media properties to get some initial traffic, just some organic traffic, so to speak. So here's how it works. When a visitor fills out this lead magnet request form, Infusionsoft immediately sends them an email with a download link for the lead magnet. Then it waits until that person clicks the download link. When that happens, Infusionsoft waits 1 day and sends a follow-up email addressing the download behavior. So there's some stuff to consider here. If the lead magnet is less than 10 megabytes, we can upload it to Infusionsoft's file box and grab the hosted URL from there. If the lead magnet is more than 10 megabytes, we can use a cloud-based file sharing service that offers public URLs such as Dropbox, Google Drive, or Box. By leveraging a campaign link, it ensures that updating the resource is easy, especially if this link is used in multiple places. We could have also used a campaign merge field for the lead magnet title to ensure scalability and easy duplication of this campaign. Remember, since we are delivering it via email, it's important that the word email is present in the form's submit button. This primes them for inbox engagement and creates clear expectations for what will occur after they request the lead magnet. In this case, the download follow-up should get the conversation going and feel really personal. This can bubble up hot clients because people appreciate it when others pay attention to them. For a more personal experience, the lead magnet delivery emails can come from the company and the follow-up can come from an individual. Now, based on human behavior, we know that not everyone is going to download the lead magnet right away. We can add extra reminder emails into the mix. I would recommend doing one at 3 days, and this would be a reminder email, and then another one a full week after the fact. This way, they're going to go ahead and get 3 emails over the course of a week, which isn't a serious spam risk. And for the people that are interested, this is going to ensure that they don't slip through the cracks. If we wanted to, we could add a second form onto the back end that collects an address to ship the physical copy, if it's appropriate. This would work well for a physical print of an ebook, a burned CD of an audio file, or DVD of video content. This builds your direct mail database and helps further segment those who are most engaging and trusting. We can also leverage the second form to collect other information like a phone number or email subscription preferences. In this video, we just used a simple, basic web form. But to increase conversions, we want to make it more visually appealing. We could still go lean and simply add an image of the lead magnet to this page. This can boost conversions. Even if there's never a physical version out there, there are lots of tools to create a digital image of an ebook, a CD, a report, things like that. Now, one thing to keep in mind, and this is for the old schoolers out there. Although we can tag the people that request the lead magnet, we don't have to, because a campaign goal completion report is going to show us all the people who have submitted the form. We would only need to tag them in instances where the goal completion needs to be universally searchable. For instance, if we were doing an order search via a goal completion tag. For a template that can be used as a starting point, download the free resource campaign from the marketplace. In the next video, we're going to look at setting up web analytics.